Beautiful, long and full of volume lashes have for centuries been seen as one of the symbols of feminine beauty. They add expressivity, mystery and youthful charm to the eye look. Colorist Cosmetic Laboratory has developed a product which stimulates the natural lash growth process. INVEO, a hypoallergenic lash serum. INVEO acts at the lash's growth stage, extending their anagen phase, and in effect, lashes grow longer and fuller while the telogen phase is slowed down, which reduces lash loss. The product should be applied every day to the cleansed eyelid skin. Apply it using a brush in one pass at the base of the lashes. The expected results will be visible after 6 weeks of regular application.